Hey guys, I want to do a video on a new tent I got. Got a Mars Hydro. It's like got two areas in it. Got the propagation area for seedlings and clones. Got this little Sunblaze 24-inch single tube. And down there I got two 24-inch tubes, fluorescent tubes. Got a little AC Infinity Helper 4-inch fan. Pulling the air out. That should be good enough. And then over here, the star of the show. I got an Optic LED GMAX 150. Gorgeous light. I'll do a quick par reading. Now initially, I was gonna go with I guess a 3x2 that would have gave me a 2x2 grow area, and this the same little 1 foot area here for seedlings and clones. But I measured out my space and had a little more space. I figured I'd deal with the extra room. 3x5 was gonna take up, but I didn't order enough light. I'm gonna order, second this video is over, I think I'm gonna get another Optic 150 and just put two of them in here side by side. I think it'll be perfect. And as usual, I overkill everything except for the light. But I overkilled the ventilation, 3x3 with a 6-inch AC Infinity. And that's not the light, that's the real. That's not the A, what's that, the A6? That's the S6, the big boy. But hey, let's get this par reading done. Got this light about 18 inches away from the top of that sensor. Tape measure somewhere. Okay. About exactly 18 inches. About what I like to grow at, 18 to 24 inches away. Power on our trusty spot on quantum light sensor. Yep, definitely need more power, baby. 18 inches. 505. Now remember, this is a 3x3 area. So just remember, as I go over to the left, drop off into the 3s. These, and then as you go toward the back, 279 back there. I'm bringing in the front where I got the door open. Guess this will be the lowest reading. I'm guessing this will be in the ones. Okay, now 240. Considering how thin the light is, the spread is not bad. I think 2 of these things would be perfect in this 3x3 area. Alright. Yeah, definitely need more. But I'm sure I'll be able to veg in here with that one optic. Probably at 50%. I got this little thing off Amazon. I got the big area is 1. The top area here is 2. And 3. The lower level. I'm not sure how good this thing, how accurate it is, but I'll check it with something better soon. This is a real classy looking light. Very well built. Feel very well built. Yeah. I'm trying to do a budget tent, but hey, you gotta pay to play, as my son say. So I'll be ordering another Optic 150. And everything else, I think I got it. I still got my 5x5 over here. Control master. Control system in there. That's my 5x5 Mars Hydro. And my 2x4 in another room. But alright, y'all. Can't wait to get this next Optic. Another Optic GMAX 150. And do some videos or some grows in here. The plan on is to put one big plant, get one big plant to fill this whole 3x3 up. But alright, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Please trying to build up my YouTube channel, get this popping. So please like and subscribe. It really helps.